Myself, Dr. Shivaji Suryavanshi, Assistant Professor at PES, College of Physical Education, Aurangabad, Maharashtra. I am going to present the yoga protocol in this presentation. Objective of this presentation is on yoga protocol, which is intended to create general awareness for International Day of Yoga celebration among UGPG students and institutions, common people and community to get harmony and peace through yoga. Target audience for this presentation are UGPG students and all institutions along with common people and community. The resource for this presentation has been taken from the Common Yoga Protocol for International Day of Yoga published by Government of India, Ayush Ministry. Here is the message of Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, who spoke at the 69th session of United Nations General Assembly on September 27, 2014. He expressed yoga is an invaluable gift of ancient Indian tradition. It embodies unity of mind and body, though thoughts and actions, restraint and fulfillment, harmony between man and nature, and holistic approach to health and well-being. Yoga is not about exercise but to discover the sense of oneness with ourselves, the world, and nature. By changing our lifestyles and creating consciousness, it can help us to deal with climate change. With this message, the Prime Minister of India appealed to the worldwide UNGA, which is United Nations General Assembly, approved 21st June as the International Day of Yoga. UNGA approved the proposal with a record 177 co-sponsoring countries and resolved to establish 21st June as International Day of Yoga. The Ministry of Ayush successfully organized first International Day of Yoga on 21st June 2015 at Rajpath, New Delhi, in which two Guinness World Records were made. First, the largest yoga lesson involving 35,985 participants and maximum countries of 84 nationalities participate in a single yoga lesson. Millions of people in India and across the globe participated in the first ever International Day of Yoga on 21st June 2015. The protocol booklet about yoga and yoga practices is intended to give a brief overview about yoga and yoga practices to orient one towards comprehensive health for an individual and the community. This protocol includes 45 minutes common yoga protocol. A provision has been made for leading yoga institution to incorporate 15 minutes institutional yoga practices, including with pranayama, yoga nidra, dhyana, satsang, etc. General guidelines for yoga practices should follow the guiding principles given below while performing yogic practices. Here are some instruction has been given how to take care of cleanliness and cleanliness of surroundings, body and mind. Yoga practice should be performed in calm and quiet atmosphere. Yogic practice should be done on empty stomach. Consume consume small amount of honey in lukewarm water. Bladder and bowels should be empty before starting yogic practice. A mattress, mat or durai or folded blanket should be used for practice. Light and comfortable cotton cloths are preferred to be facilitate easy movement. Yoga should not be performed in a state of exhaustion, illness, in a hurry or in acute stress condition. In case of chronic disease, pains, a physician or yoga therapist should be consulted prior to performing yogic practices. Here are some points for during the practice of yoga. Practice session should be start with a prayer. Yogic practice shall be performed slowly in a relaxed manner. Do not hold breath unless it is specially mentioned. Breathing should be always through the nostrils. Do not hold the body tightly or jerk the body at any point of time. Perform the practice according to your capacity. It takes some time to get good results. There are contraindication limitations for each yogic practice, such as contraindication should always be kept in mind. Yoga session should be end with meditation, deep silence, sankalpa shantipata, which is called prayer. And here are some points for after practices of yoga. Food for thoughts. A few dietary guidelines can ensure that the body and mind are flexible, well prepared for practice. A vegetarian diet is usually recommended. How yoga can help a person. Yoga is essential, a path of liberation from all the bondages. However, medical research in recent years has uncovered many physical and mental benefits that yoga offers, corroborating the experience of millions of practitioners. It is beneficial in the management of diabetes, respiratory disorders, hypertension, and many lifestyles related disorders. Yoga helps to reduce depression, fatigue, and anxiety. Here, the main part of yoga protocol includes with prayer, stretching exercises, and the main part of this protocol is yogasana with standing posture, sitting posture, prawn posture, supine posture, along with kapalbhati, pranayama, dhyana, sankalpa, and santipata. In first part, the loosening practices or stretching exercise includes neck bending, shoulder movement, trunk movement, knee movement, and the main part of this protocol is yogasanas, which includes the standing posture along with Tadasana, Vakrasana, Padhastasana, Trikonasana. The sitting posture includes Bhadrasana, Vajrasana, Ardha Ustrasana, Ustrasana, Shashankasana, Uttana Mandukasana, Vakrasana. And C part of this protocol is prone posture, which includes Makrasana, Bhujangasana, Shalbhasana. And the D supine posture includes Setu Bandhasana, Uttana Padhasana, Ardhalasana, Pavan Muktasana, and Shavasana. With all this third part, yoga institution to incorporate 15 minutes institutional yoga practices with Kapalbhati, Pranayama, Dhyana, Sankalpa, and Shantipata. Here is last part included with one more prayer. Thank you.